Welcome back, everybody. Automotive. Today we are working on the 2016 Ram, and if you have a Ram with these little black B and C pillar covers, well, I guess it's just a B pillar, C pillars back there. Over time, they start fading. They're a sticker. Okay, they don't last long, and at some point they kind of started putting them on some and not the others. Basically, it's something to help to make the cab look linear and bigger, if you will, and it's just a sticker. Now you can go ahead and buy some of those plastic gloss black covers, but to be honest with you, they scratch really easy. They are cheap, but they stick, they fall off. They just don't look good. And honestly, just take them off. They look really good. So basically, I'm going to show you really quick how to take these off. And it's super simple. So as you can see, ours right here have chips in them, have dings in them, have scrapes in them. And if for some reason your paint is chipped, you can just touch up. But all you're going to do is take a heat gun and you're going to run along here like this. Just run it for, I don't know, 10 seconds just up and down. That'll loosen enough you can pick around this edge. And then come around here and just kind of run down 10 seconds or whatever, because once you peel it towards the edge, then you can start bringing it into a sheet. It's going to be hard to get down here, so you can use a box cutter and just kind of go along this edge. Don't cut your rubber, but that way it just kind of tears off and it's done with. And then you're able to push back this little piece of rubber right here and pull out the rest of it. And if you heat it up enough, it's going to do the same thing. Because you can see right here, this one's just complete garbage. And then if we come in here, guys, I'll show you. All you have to do is take a body panel puller here, pull this body fastener out, then this rubber seal will come off, and then you'll be able to access with the door open. That's good, stay there. You'll be able to pull this away. You don't have to take it all the way off, and see the edge right here. Then warm this edge up first, box cutter here, and then just go only deep enough that you're doing it, don't cut your paint. And then do the exact same thing, go down it, and then peel it off. And I'm going to show you that this is what the side looks like with, and really it just looks bad. They're faded and they're torn in a bunch of places. And this is what it looks like off. And to me, I actually like the look of it. It looks clean. There's no more fading. It'll have your body color paint underneath it. You want to lay decals back over it, you can. Whatever adhesive stays on there, use a plastic razor blade, some Goo Gone right there, and then just buff it up, man. I'm telling you, I actually just like it. It's just that much sharper. And my silver Ram had this. All my black Rams didn't have this. Some of my white ones back in the 90s did, in the 2000s. But honestly, it's just much better. You can actually see a hail ding there, but you could see the hole through that vinyl wrap stuff. That's what caused that little dent right there, but it was torn. So even if you're going to lay a new one back over, it's going to have a divot. So I actually like it much better. As always, guys, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Check out everything on the channel. Tons of content coming up on this bad boy, and we'll catch you on the next one.